ADA has always been a customer-focused business. 18 years old now, started by the current managing director, Ashley Snelling. We always try and choose the best solution that meets the customer's needs, rather than, for instance, being driven by the vendor to force their sort of solutions onto the customers. We've got a lot of customers that we've dealt with since day one that still use us, which is testimony to how we deal with our customers and the solutions that we provide them. Education is a big marketplace for us, especially where wireless is concerned. But obviously we don't see wireless as an overlay solution, so we also provide LAN switching solutions to support the entire infrastructure.
The University of Sussex is a multidisciplinary university.
Our students were using a previously installed Wi-Fi system, which we felt was getting a little bit long in the tooth, and noticed an increase in possible complaints about Wi-Fi, and obviously we wanted to improve the system to keep our students happy.
Wireless is one of those technologies, as soon as the latest standard comes out, there's a new one around the corner. The original wireless solutions that came out were not easily manageable on a large scale, certainly not a scale as large as the University of Sussex, when you're talking perhaps in the region of 1,000, 1,500 access points.
There was no upgrade route that was possible for that system. The manufacturer had actually discontinued the service.
Between us, we identified 5 key points that we wanted to achieve, and ADA suggested a Meru solution, and we quickly came to the conclusion between both of us that this met all the criteria we were looking for.
It was great for Meru to work with a proactive partner like ADA Networks, as they were working with the university's technical department, understand their infrastructure, and were able to assist them in finding out what they actually needed from their future wireless solution.
The Meru solution that we put forward initially for the ResNet needed to be high performance due to the large number of students in there, and the Meru single cell architecture meant that it was so easily manageable from that respect, so you don't have to channel plan APs, you can just pop an AP up wherever you want. It forms part of the entire wireless LAN itself.
Working alongside ADA Networks, Meru also provided technical resource to the university, and between them they were able to demonstrate every element and aspect of the Meru solution that covered all eventualities and requirements that the university thought they were going to have.
We run Ed Jerome here on campus, and we were very, very impressed, especially with the management side of the solution. Straight out of the box, the kit worked. It was great. Everywhere where students learn, where teaching occurs, or where they gather, such as cafes, we're providing Wi-Fi coverage in those areas, and the students really appreciate that. One example of the Wi-Fi system success is within our university library. It's recently been refurbished. Previously, the library seemed to get about 30% usage, but since we've rolled out Meru within the library, we literally are running at 100%. The library is always full of students, and they're happily working. Some of my colleagues refer to them as a moving flash mob of connections, and the Meru equipment seems to handle that very well.
A great feature of the Meru system is, of course, that you can add access points without worrying about which channels were going to work, channel interference, and all the problems you get with old-fashioned Wi-Fi.
Because it's a plug-and-play system, it's literally just a case of supplying access points when they're ready to deploy in another area. So it is literally just like popping in a light bulb where they need some more coverage.
It's great to be able to actually trace users easily across various access points as they walk across campus. This is fantastic for fault finding, because when students report faults, it's normally very, very vague, and it takes a fair bit of digging to find the relevant information. But with the Easy RF management system, this is fantastically easy. Some of our students have machines that are infected. The Easy RF system allows us to actually track down where that person is somewhere on campus, and actually disconnect them from the network to stop them infecting other machines.
As this project is coming to an end, we're finding our students are really much happier than they've been with Wi-Fi in the past. They're making great use of it. It's natural for them just to use it in lecture rooms, when they're in the cafes, and of course when they're working in the library.
Following the rollout of the wireless equipment throughout the campus, we've had very positive feedback from students. It's much improved. They can connect at much higher speeds. The throughput is much better. Everyone generally seems to be very pleased with the system.
The support we've had from Meru in this project has been excellent. We're very pleased that they've had a supportive partner in ADA who've worked with us. They've worked with us on survey work, and they have worked in helping us fulfil the requirements on campus. We are really very happy with the solution we have.